My fellow traders, welcome back to the No Limit Forex YouTube channel. I really hope you all doing well, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get sniper entries on the lower time frames in the Forex market, so stay tuned. So guys, first of all, thank you for subscribing to this YouTube channel. We already hit it 1.2k subs. Really thank you. And if you are new to my YouTube channel and you are not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And guys, in the previous video or two videos before, I talked about the time frames for directional bias, and I also mentioned in that video that we're gonna talk more also about the time frames for your entries, because you have to distinguish your time frames for your entries and also for your directional bias. And I also told you guys that I use the 4 hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, so the higher time frames for my directional bias, and the lower time frames like 1 hourly, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, and a 1 minute time frame for my entries. So in this video I will show you step by step how I get these sniper entries with high accuracy. So let's switch over to the charts. Okay, so guys, I have GBP USD in front of me. I really like to trade this pair, even like Euro, Dollar, GBP, AUD and Gold are my portfolio with trading instruments. So how to get sniper entries? First of all, I have the 4 hourly time frame in front of me. And what is important to start with is to define the order flow. Are we in an uptrend? Are we moving up or down? As you can see here from the 4 hourly, here we made a low and here we made a higher low. So this is our first sign that we remain bullish for GBP USD. Again, from now on, you really want to get all these significant lows. Boom, one more. Oh, I apologize. Up, one more. What is going? Come on. Come on. Okay, perfect. Some technical issues, guys. No. Okay, so as you can see, GBP USD, we are in bullish territory. We're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low. So we know that we are in bullish territory. So what is likely gonna happen? You always want to mark the significant lows and highs, because as you can see, it doesn't make sense to mark this low because this one is not significant. We haven't seen a big expansion to the upside. Look what we have seen each time from we have marked the lows from these are regions. Boom. Again, boom, boom. Each side, every time when we made this significant low, we saw a big move to the upside, right? Big expansions to the upside, boom. So these are significant. These are the lows where we have our interest on, our region of interest. So let's take this example from this year, 19 January up until today. So we have made this low. So this low, if we remain bullish, we want us to stay above this low from this 4 hourly time frame. So if we go to the hourly, because if we go to find entries, we always use the lower time frames, not the 4 hourly. And it was like that example, guys. The 4 hourly, you use it for your direction. So now we have defined the order flow from a 4 hourly time frame, which is bullish. So we know, okay, we wait for price to come back to a discount region to get a new leg to the upside. And also what you can see, guys, with your clean eyes, look how much liquidity is resting above. Guys, many liquidity. So these highs, we know that it's likely that the big institutions gonna take out these highs. They are relatively equal. So this is, retail will see this as a double top, and we know, okay, there is a lot of liquidity resting above. So that is always also an extra confirmation for your bias, for your bullish bias in trading. So now we know that this low is significant and we should respect this low in order to remain bullish. So this low is our point of interest. Let's zoom into the 15-minute time frame, what we can see from there. Again, we see kind of a trend line here and here. Many retail patterns are found. And what do we have more on the upside? Yeah, boom. Okay, so we took out this low and completely shifted to the upside. So this moves, this big expansion comes from something, right? First of all, we have a lot of liquidity above. We already have seen that, we have noticed that there is a lot of liquidity above and we are in a bullish environment. So if we zoom into the left, boom, what do we see here, guys? Look how clean this double bottom is. There is a lot of liquidity resting below. So if we go back to the right, you see that price took out the double bottom and boom, expansion to the upside. And if you have seen my first video, the double top and bottom strategy, you know what to do if you see this on your chart. So we have a double bottom here at the left, lots of liquidity, and boom, big expansion, big reversal to the upside. And I explained this in depth, step by step, in my other video. So if you haven't seen that yet, have a look. I will put a card in the video so you can easily find a video where I explain double bottom and double tops and how to trade them as a big institution. Because do you think this move comes from just nothing? No. This move is because we have taken liquidity and bam, big expansion. So let's zoom on to the 5-minute time frame. Here, what do we see? Sideways market. So contraction, boom. First sign is, if we go to the 1-minute time frame, guys, you could immediately, if you want a high risk entry, because what have we done here again? What is this? Again, a double bottom, took it out, and unfortunately price didn't give us a chance to entry, to find a nice and smooth entry on a 1 or 5 or 50 minute. But don't worry, guys, it isn't done. So what now? If we go to the higher time frames, we broke structure here. All these highs are taken. So it's likely we're gonna see more bullishness up until 1.375 1.59, and even further, as you can see, we expanded beyond. We are close to 1.38. But don't think if we miss this move that it's too late, because that is not the case. So what you're gonna do, you wait patiently for a small pullback into the 4 hourly. So what have we done here, guys? Boom, we have taken this 4 hourly low, which is a small rate. Let's get back to the 5-minute time frame, and this is exactly what we need. Look what we have here. Again, sideways market. Market makers are accumulating orders. We took out so many traders who are trading ranges, many retail traders, and especially the aggressive ones, will trade this breakout, this false breakout. Also, what do we have more? Look, guys, again, a double bottom, liquidity above. Guys, you really don't need more. So you know that's likely price will remain bullish. What you can do with one simply step, guys, is drag your Fibonacci from the low to the high. Wait for price to come back into your Fibonacci level. What do we have here? We have a break in market structure. Again, small accumulation phase to the downside, even took out these lows. Here, a lot of liquidity resting below, and boom, expansion to the upside. So only with taking this trade, and let's assume we took it from the 62% level with our stop below, which is 10 pips, we have made a good amount of pips. So 80 pips in profit, 7.8 R. Guys, you really doesn't need more. If we zoom out further, we know that this is our target. Eventually we want to see price go beyond 1.3760, and we saw more expansion to the upside, and we got 136 pips, which gave us 13.5 R, guys. So this is how you find sniper entries on the lower time frames, also in combination with liquidity. Stay tuned, guys. Don't click further. Stay with the video, because I also giving some targets for euro dollar. So guys, hopefully you found this valuable, and I shared my targets for euro dollar a few weeks ago, and from now on I expect more bullishness for euro dollar. 1.2350 is still the level I'm looking for on euro dollar. And again, guys, thank you for watching and all the support. And if you really want more about a topic, please let me know what I should discuss in the upcoming videos. Please let me know in the comments below, and I will try to discuss it with you as much as possible. Thank you for watching again, and if you are not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and see you next week. Bye.